Now, ever dreamed of working from your couch in your pajamas? Well, it's possible. Today I'm going to share my secret on how to land a remote job, even if you're just starting out. Now, I used to think remote jobs were only for tech geniuses or people with years of experience. But guess what? I was wrong. With a little hustle and the right approach, you can snag that dream remote gig of yours too. Now, it's important to understand this, that there are different types of remote work, including freelancing, full-time remote positions, and part-time jobs. But on this video, we'll be focusing on full-time and part-time remote jobs. I might be talking about freelancing, on another video. So basically, I'm going to break this video into two parts to make it simple. Number one is identifying remote work skills that experience isn't necessary, and number two is how to make recruiters come to you. Now, let's get cracking. Now, remote work that skills are not necessary. So to make this make more sense, imagine that you ask yourself these questions, right? What am I good at? What do I enjoy doing? This will actually help you to narrow your job search and to find a role that's a good fit. Even if you don't have direct experience in a particular field, you might have what is called transferable skills that are valuable to employers. For example, if you are good in engaging people and you're a fast thinker, you could use these skills in a virtual assistant role. Now, other roles that employers might not be too particular about years of experience are customer support representative, social media manager, help desk analyst, virtual assistant. Now, these roles have statistical records for employment with no and less experience. Now, I don't want to go deep into this role, right? A social media manager is a marketer who creates and schedules content, engages with followers, and monitors social media trends. Virtual assistants provide administrative services to companies and clients remotely. Depending on how this video eventually turns out and the engagement, I might do a separate video, right, for how to land a virtual assistant job role in 8 weeks, right? I tell you. Now, let's move to number two. How to make recruiters come to you. The number one tactic to make recruiters come to you is to build a strong online presence. Yes, I tell you. Now, I know you might have heard this over and over again, but it's very potent. Don't ever joke with this method. A strong online presence is essential for landing remote jobs. Start by creating a professional LinkedIn profile. Now, you don't just stop there. You begin to post frequently. Yes, frequently. And you also talk about your skills, the application of your skills, your projects. Basically, just let the world know how your skill is able to make the world a better place, right? I know that is value. Recruiters are drawn to value over emotions. Now, it doesn't just stop there. You also have to network strategically. Networking is a powerful tool for finding remote job opportunities. LinkedIn is not like Instagram where you just, you are saying follow for follow, right? If you don't follow me, I'll not follow you. Nah. In LinkedIn, whenever any of your connects likes your post, the algorithm has a way of showing it to other people in their own connections. Now, don't joke with that. Follow and connect with as much professionals as you can. How many? As much as you can. Also, join online forums. If you see a job post, don't be scared to message the recruiter privately. Now, since LinkedIn gives you one shot at a DM, if you're not on premium subscription, make sure it counts. Literally let your first DM look like a cover letter. And now, lastly, leverage online job boards. Now, there are many online job boards that specializes in remote work. Some popular options include Freelancer, Upwork, and Flex Jobs. But we also have some uprising coded hidden ones like We Work Remotely and Support and Venture. And how can I ever forget Indeed and Glassdoor? In fact, do you know that with Indeed and even LinkedIn, you can select that you want remote jobs notification from a particular country that are willing to employ you from any location. Now, last month I did a YouTube short on a plugin that automatically detects jobs that are open to relocation. I'll be dropping the link on the description in this video. So yes, guys, I'll be stopping here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I might be making a video to answer them on my next video. So that's basically, guys. Ciao. Ciao.